Art on the walls is a beautiful thing, but remind me again when you got interested. Oh yeah, I remember the night when you lost your mind. I was sitting at Matt's place, wasting all my time. You've come a long way since that night when you hit rock bottom, your skin exposed so bright. You were my woman with the wind in her eyes. I saw that night came through. That flag went up and you told me to quit. I disregarded your wisdom and I blame it on my kin. Pardon my French to all my conservatives. The slip of the tongue is better than